Welcome to Majordome's 11th DePIN workshop on YouTube and Moonchain. Today we'll have a deeper look into MEP 3355 and how it's used to process data on the Moonchain blockchain for make it possible that the data can be used with an LLM. The second step will be that we have a comparison between how Web 2 and Web 3 protects data and how the data is handled onto the two different technical. The third point would be a short look into the economic value of the blockchain data. While blockchain data is public, but it's not a free data. Just because it's open and freely accessible doesn't mean that it's automatically free data, specifically when you want to use it in a large way. The next step will be a comparison between two specific products which use health data, important data, and it's important to use these data or to operate with this data in a secure way. And for this, I will show you a comparison between the Blueberry ring, which is an upcoming product from Moonchain, as well as the Aura ring, which is an older Web 2 health ring.